say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Welcome to today's vlog. So make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. And the truth we don't hide, that's just the way we are. Guess I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it would be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe
in a quarter mile, turn left onto State Road 660.
maybe we just go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that.
Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. Not inside, no man at the climbing. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hate time, chasing the rewind. Hate time. I need more space.
Guys, so put on my shoes. I'm gonna go start my car right now because it's snowing outside. So by the time I reach back outside, it's my car is warm. I don't have to wait for it to warm up. It's cold. Look what I found. I'm in Virginia on this travel assignment, and listen, I'm not I was used to the cold, but now I gotta get used to the cold again because right now 7 degrees outside, 7 degrees Celsius. So it's snowing on the like it have snow on the ground, The snow is melting right now, but yeah, they still have snow on the ground. It says that Friday it's supposed to snow. Today is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, January 17th, and I gotta service my car because as you can came up on my car. I gotta ask them to take the air out the tire and put the other, I don't even remember what it's called. Gotta call my husband and ask him, but yeah, I gotta go do maintenance because it was supposed to be done already. I didn't get a chance to do it. It's snowing on the road is slippery. I live up a hill, well, down a hill, like, yeah. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. I'm going to basically go get my car service, and then after that I think I gotta do laundry today, or if I think I have to do laundry today. If I do have enough clothes, maybe I think I have one more uniform because I'm gonna be off tonight, but I am working tomorrow. Well, I am off tonight, but I'm working tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm working Thursday. So if I do have one more uniform, I don't have to wash until maybe Friday or Saturday, because I after Thursday, ow, I have this pimp right here. It hurts. But after Thursday, I'm not going back to work until Sunday, so maybe I could just do a big wash, and and I'm gonna just bring you guys along with me. This time I am there's no laundry mat, there's no laundry in the house or in the place that I've rented, so I have to go to the laundromat and wash it. So I'm gonna take you guys with me when we go to the laundromat. But yeah, the road looks so pretty. I got some really nice pictures. I'm gonna put them up so you guys can see them. But yeah, it looked like out of a movie or a painting, an actual painting. So I think I'm going to basically just print them out and put them on canvas to label them. I have this bump, it's irritating me. I don't know, hold on. If I could get it out, because yes, it no. Well, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. Right now it's 7:16, and the place I did an appointment, and the appointment says 8:20, but when I look to go to the place, it takes 40 minutes from the hospital. It takes 40 minutes, but the place said it's open 9 o'clock. So I don't know why they say they booked my appointment for 8:20 when they know that they open 9 o'clock. That doesn't make sense, but yeah. And then I have to cook because I'm hungry, but I'm trying to be I'm gonna try to start eating a little healthier. So I'm gonna try to eat mostly maybe protein and then plant-based things, because yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing that. Outside is freezing though. Close to this 7 degrees Celsius. This is too much. Come on. Christmas already gone. One of my pet peeves here in Virginia is that all the roads, they have no street lights. I don't know how you guys drive on the roads with no street light. That doesn't make sense to me. Like, I'm so used to being on the roads where there's street lights, you know. Even in Little Rhode Island, they used to have a lot of street lights. Coming to Virginia and they don't have no street lights. I'm like, hold on. Like, the only place I have street light is a hospital. But once you get on the main road or once you get on the road, like on a part of the road, you have no street lights, nothing. And I was looking for places where I could go, like to eat or just do like fun stuff, you know, because like I come here to work, but I do want to have fun too, so I can create memories. I don't want to just come work and go home. I want to come create memories, you know. And yeah, but I can't find anything to do. So if you guys are in like Christiansburg, Dublin, Roanoke area, did I pronounce that right? I think Roanoke area, just tell me like places that you guys visit or must places, you know. All right, let me see. I'm gonna start up this GPS and we're gonna start going to the dealership, the Nissan dealership, so they can service this car and we can drive on the road without thinking about you know, anything going wrong.
17 Nissan of New River Valley may be closed by the time you arrive.
Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. Not inside, no man at the climbing. Birthing bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing a rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your attention, not just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose.
Hey guys, so I just finished doing my vehicle, so you can see the maintenance came off and the tire maintenance also came off too, so that's good. Back to the house and I'm gonna get some sleep because I've been here. Right now it's like 10:10 on the dots, but yeah, I've been here since after work. So I reach here like maybe 7:30. Yeah, so I need to go sleep before I start doing anything else. So I'll talk to you guys. I thought that I was going to work today, so I went and I turned my car on, was in the shower, and they called me off. So I get to stay in one more day. So this is like 5 days in a row off, because I was supposed to be off today, like go to work today, then off again for like 3 days. So I'm happy. 5 days off. Like I'm not gonna complain about that. So good thing is I'm still gonna be getting paid, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, I was trying to get a flight to go to Fort Lauderdale, but I did not get any. They didn't have any available today, so I was trying to go home, but I couldn't get to go home. And then I was gonna start washing, but it already start getting dark, so I'm kind of scared. Like by the time I start washing and stuff, it's gonna be so dark. I don't want to be outside in the dark. you know. But I'm gonna just edit some videos now because I do have a video to edit, so I'm gonna edit that. And let's see, I have that video to edit. Let me get some water. And I already made my food to bring to work, like right here. So this is like some chicken with cheese, and then I wrapped it in tortillas and bake it a little bit. But I guess I'm not gonna go to work, so I'm gonna leave it until maybe later when I get hungry. I'm gonna eat it. So I'm just gonna grab a bottle of water, and I'm going to just finish editing the videos that I need to edit. And tomorrow I'm gonna wash, and yeah, call it a night, you know. Maybe try to find some movie. Like, what are your movie recommendations? Because I need to find some good movies to start watching, or maybe try to find something to do. I'm in Virginia, Dublin, and like Christiansburg area. So if you guys have like places that I need to visit, let me know so I can visit it. So I'm gonna show you guys. So right here we have this is the video that I'm editing right now. Yeah, so it says that it's processing, so I just have to wait for that. And I'm gonna just exit out of this. I made the video, but I wanted to get different music, because yeah, I edit the video, but I wanted to get different music because I was like, I've been using the same music all the time. You guys supposed to either know the lyrics of the video, of the music that I've been using, or you guys are tired of the music. So I'm like, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, you know. And then I was thinking maybe I should go outside and make a snowman, and I don't know, the place is that's like boring. All you do is just watch TV, and it's cold outside and get dark really quickly. It doesn't have any street lights, so I'm like, I don't want to be on the road when it's dark, because they have no street lights, and then they have deers running around. So I don't want to get into an accident, so I stay in at night time. But in the morning they have I think it's called Lake Tour, I believe. I want to go, or late, yeah, I think it's called that. I want to go over there and just check it out, even though it's cold. But the scenery is supposed to look beautiful. It's supposed to snow tomorrow night. Tomorrow's Friday, so it's supposed to snow tomorrow night. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I could actually print out my timesheet, because they already called me off, and today was going to be my last night working for the week. So I'm going to see if I can print out my timesheet and then send it to Aya, because they normally take it like Saturdays, or whenever is your last day of the week, you can submit it. So like how they called me off, I could just submit it and then put that they called me off for tonight. So I'm gonna see if I could do that too. Yeah. I use this because I use it at home. This odor blaster, and this is by Arm& and Hammer. I love it. It smells so good. I always get this purple one. Always smell really good. So yeah, and it's very long lasting. And then I pair it with this one. This is the same thing, but this one is just the liquid soap for it. I put this and this together when I'm washing. When I finish wash, I normally use this again, or I use the fireworks. So I love this for the fireworks because it makes it smell really good, long lasting, and you don't even have to put on perfume or anything like that because the scent is so strong. It's not overpowering, but it lasts a long time. They give you that fresh, clean scent. So let's go to the laundromat. The car is warm enough. So all we have to do is just put it in. The laundromat is like 12 minutes away. So yeah, and then I gotta get some money. I gotta go to the ATM so I can get some money because I don't have the waters or any paper money with me because I normally just buy everything online. So outside and it just starts snowing. I take this off like this, like that. But my hands are like cold as hell. But my body itself is not cold because I have this thing on, this thermal thing, where it makes you like really warm. But my hand is just freezing. So I'm putting this foot here, like on the heater. Freezing and cold. Yeah, rose hand lotion. Woo, I forgot my glasses. Gotta go back and my glasses. Oh, I just made a TikTok. It looks so nice. So when I was in New Mexico, I made one, and then I just finished it with so I was there in summer, and then I finished it with winter. So I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on a second. Yeah. Heard you been crying, I tired of that. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me be that pussy one more time. Let me be that pussy one more time. I know that you feel for it. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry.
wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo, fancy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is don't go build no life without me, cause you must this. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I been gone, I'm feeling crazy. Yeah, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. I look like I'm the man, yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against better than nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga. Ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams and they heels and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what the time would it kill? We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real. No lie, you can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down? But you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring it, nigga, show me stuff. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on the button like a button. Keep on that feel time. Still getting ready to get a phone. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping. Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you beat? That's all. She say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when I be lavish. Bad bitch, and she Spanish. I fired that girl up, that's what we get nasty. I'm her daddy. If I know a nigga ain't average, girl, nothing wrong with fake asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunting. If fourth down, we ain't punting. Think of this girl, Columbia. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. Realest and anaconda.
So I lost this noise picking up. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's not even showing on the phone that much.
extra shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit me, cause you know I like it. Taking up a day for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, baby. Show you outside, baby. Know it's been a while.
Okay guys, I'm finished washing. So I got to wash all my clothes. Just gonna hang this up right here. Right here. Okay guys, so we finished washing. So the next thing on the agenda today is cooking some food because I'm hungry. Alright. Let me can you guys hear me in this noise? It's snowing. It slowed down a little bit. This when I was in there washing, it was actually
Then
snowing.
turn right onto Broad Street.
We're gonna go to Walmart because I think I'm gonna make some fish, some whole snapper in the air fryer, and I'm gonna make some rice too. So all my meals are gonna be in the air fryer today, and yeah, I'm gonna do all of that in the air fryer. So hopefully come out good. Hopefully it tastes good. And I just want some lemon at Walmart, and that's it. I don't want to go shopping today. I want to finish all my food that I have before I go shopping. And your girl trying to like eat a little bit less, you know, and stay on budget, because I still haven't created my budget yet, which is not good at all. Where am I turning? I think I can go out that way because I came from this way, right? Yeah, I think I can go this way. But yeah, I need to start creating my budget because I don't have one at the moment, and I need to have one so I can know exactly where my money is.
In a quarter mile, turn left toward Broad Street.
Like, these are real crazy. Like, it's so much hills.
Take the next right onto Broad Street.
Yeah, it is so much hills here. It's like hills, valley, hills, valley, hills, valley, hills, valley, hills, and valley, hills, and valley.
Continue on Broad
Hills.
Street for 3/4
You know,
of a mile.
I should have gone there and get some gas, but it's alright. I'll just, when I go to the Walmart, they have a gas station at the Walmart. So I think I'm gonna go to that gas station that's close to Walmart. I was trying to maybe that gas station have the cash back too, because I like going to a gas station that I get my cash back. Because yeah, I need my my upside cash back. Yeah. Oh, it's 42 degrees now. That's good, because the other day, like yesterday, it was 36. No, hold on. Yesterday
In a
it
quarter
was
mile,
6
take the
degrees.
Virginia 100 South exit toward I-81 Hillsville.
Yeah, yesterday was 6 degrees. Oh no, I don't want to go there. I think Walmart near me.
Alright, there's a Walmart Supercenter 2.3 miles away. Want to navigate there?
Yes.
Okay, Walmart Supercenter 2.3 miles away. In 600 feet, make a U-turn at State Road 373. Make a U-turn at State Road 373, then take the exit toward I-81. Take the exit toward I-81, then turn right onto Cleburne Boulevard.
Alright, I said. This don't look like I-81. When I see no I-81 right here, so. But it's
Turn right onto
but they're
Cleburne
running
Boulevard,
right.
then continue straight onto State.
Like, this is a weird. Their roads are weird. Walmart. So we're gonna get some lemons. I believe that's all we need. Some lemons. Yeah, a lemon. That's all. Maybe I get some. Maybe I should get some lemon, garlic. I'll see when I go in there. I don't want to spend too much though. My budget is $20. That's it. Y'all need to applaud me because I stay within my budget and I spend $15 instead of $20. So that's good. Because normally when I go shopping, I say this is my budget and I always overspend. But yeah, I only got like the things that I really needed. So I got I got some lemon, then I got garlic, then I got some cilantro and some barbecue sauce, and also let me see, some pepper flakes. I wanted pepper flakes since the other day, but I couldn't find any in the store. I got bread because I got some wheat bread though, because I can maybe like make breakfast in the air fryer because I have eggs at home. So that's what I'm going to do. One of these days I'm gonna do like maybe like like a whole tutorial, like breakfast, lunch and dinner in the breakfast, lunch and dinner in the air fryer, so you guys can see that if you guys don't have a stove, you guys can use the air fryer and make breakfast, lunch and dinner. And then and it's healthier too because you're using less oil. But let me stop rambling and go. I need to get gas. I want to get gas before I come off the road today, because I'm not coming back on the road until Sunday when I have work. Today is Friday, so tomorrow I'm gonna just stay in and watch movies. I started watching this series. It's called Yellow Jacket. But last night, listen, I had to turn that thing off because like I was falling asleep and then I started getting nightmares. So I had to just go on YouTube and then type in somebody who I normally listen to on YouTube and then play out their video, and that helped me fall asleep last night. Because like after I started watching Yellow Jacket, I started seeing people dying and people going into like holes, and it was brutal. So if you like those type of movies, you can go watch Yellow Jacket. It's interesting. Let me plug my phone. On my way to the house, I'm going to stop at the gas station. Hold on, let me see which gas station I can stop at that can give me like bonus, because I want the bonus. I don't want to just stop at any gas station. I want the bonus. So let me check first. Okay, so I found a gas station. They have plenty close by, but when I'm going home I go that way. So if I pass it when I'm going home, I'll stop and get gas. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna just reverse. So we're gonna make the rice. So I have this container here. I'll wash it. This one. So I have this tilapia, these whole tilapia. So I'm gonna clean them up and then we can start cooking today. Off of this fish. So this is how it's looking. Doing pretty well. I cut the fins off of it, and then I clean inside also. So, and then I just leave this container because, to season it. So let me see what I'm going to use to season it. Some of this
I've been trapping around the world.
and the
I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, good Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you don't put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me, and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not that influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself cause I can't leave you alone. Gossiping messages, that ain't what we doing. Yeah. Trapping around the world. Over the phone, drop it. Get more roll around you feel. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
They say time here. This fool Anthony right here. He said, listen, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say that she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better every time. Best kept secret. They say time is. She can't see her life without me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you lost it. And she don't want to go to sleep, she angry. Say that she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change fantasy. Don't want no good fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing.
It's look well seasoned. So I'm gonna wait until the rice is finished, then I'm gonna just put this in the air fryer and let it cook. And then for the sauce, I'm going to use about the same container with the seasoning, and I'm going to add the half stick of butter that was left from the rice. Put it in this container. This is some cilantro, so I'm gonna wash a little bit of it. So I have the cilantro right here. I'm gonna wash. So I'm going to cut it up a little bit. Put it in this. That's how it's looking. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the garlic. It's gonna have like a cilantro garlic topping. So like that. So once the fish is finished, I'm gonna add this in the microwave for maybe 1 minute once the butter is melt, and then I'm going to just paste it over the fish so the fish can be nice and juicy. Alright, so the rice it start bubbling, so that's good. We're just gonna wait that out. I have my lemon right here. I'm gonna just squeeze it on the fish so it cut away the rawness. I'm just gonna squeeze that right here. So The rice is almost finished. The water is drying out, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with a file paper. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it with a file paper. I just need to take it out without burning myself. Maybe I should add a little bit more water on it. Hold on. Yeah, I think I'm going to add a little bit more water. Yeah, like that amount of water. And then I'm going to cover it with a file paper. And then let that cook some more. So I'm gonna let that cook some more. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, let's go check on the rice. It just finished. Let's check on it right now. I'll take out this. And cheers. I'll open this. It actually cooked good. I must see. Hold on. Oh, nice. See that? Rice shelly. Let me see. Okay. This is nice. Guys, I add a little bit more water to it, and I'm going to make it cook a little bit more. But I'm gonna put in my fish so it can cook with it. Just push this back. And then I'm going to put it like this. We're gonna just put that on. Like this. Put this on, and then we're gonna put a stop. Gonna put it to the 450 and then start it. So that's how it's looking. So yeah, you can go ahead, you can throw our sauce on it. So guys, this is how it's looking, like a full meal in the air fryer. This looks so good. But yeah, I'm going to dig in. So yeah, that's how the food is looking. It looks delicious as usual. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. I'm going to dig in. Okay guys, the rice tastes so good, like I had to come back on and let you guys know about how it is. And I'm gonna taste the fish because I didn't taste it. It's like so good and well seasoned. Yeah, I like this. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.